in your spine. That's how long some neurons are. Okay? So neurons. The most obvious difference for neurons and other cells is the body, is in the type of body. We all know that they are uniquely shaped, right? Come on, if I ask you, imagine, how do you imagine the neuron? What does it look like to you? That's what it looks like. So, experiment. Kimo, kumawa sa lilig pa. Experiment niyo sa inyo, Bernie. Sperm. Okay mo makakita over sa yung brain. Okay, sige, that's your opinion, okay? Mura na siyang sperm. Mura sa bitaw, na siyang tail and everything, right? How about you? For me, it looks like, mura siyang itlog, akong sundan kanihang buntag. Diba? Kaya siyang egg, then wala siyang bacon na para to finish it all. Okay? How about the breaks? Ano sa mga imagine when you see a neuron? Look at it. Wala siya dun sa? Wala siya alien? Yes, wala siya kahoy. Later on, you will know why it's called wala siya kahoy. Okay? Ikaw is likod ni breaks. Ano sa ba? Okay, so wala siya sa dagat. Yung mga weird picture sa dagat, right? Be, last opinion, be, let's ask Mr. Gallego. What does it look to you? Dahil Mr. Gallego na sa likod. Wala siyang astrocytes? Yes, your astrocytes are actually neurons. Okay, they're a type of neurons. Okay, so let's go. So, neurons, the most obvious is the shape. Okay, some say it looks like a sperm, some say it looks like an egg. Murag sudan ba? Okay, so neurons have a highly irregular shape with one or more cellular processes extending from the cell body. So the processes, students, is another term for axons. Okay? The neuronal cell body, also referred to as the soma or the pericardium. Okay, so most of the organelles of a neuron is found in its soma or pericardium. Okay? Contains some same organelles found in other cells. However, the rough endoplasmic reticulum and polysomes are collectively known as micelle substances. So what creates the protein for neurons? Neurons, that is the answer is rough ERs. Rough ERs, ER, great ER, or micelle bodies. So the answer would be micelle bodies. But if normal lang the cell, what's my answer? Rough ER. Okay, rough ER. Okay. So, however, are especially abundant in the pericardium. Each neuron has a single axon. The area of the cell body where an axon originates is called the axon hilum. In your membrane potential, what is created in the axon hilum? Threshold, or also your graded membrane potential. Yes, threshold and your graded membrane potential. Okay? So the axon hilum is also referred to as the CTZ or central trigger zone, or also called as the trigger zone. As action potentials are generated here, just distal to the axon hilum is the initial segment of the axon. So your axon, student, is not actually a solid structure. It is made up of segments. So that's how they describe the axon. It is the segmented processes of a neuron. Okay? So later on, you will know the difference of different segments in the body. Excuse me, sir. Ano mo ba sila? Pasod lang ko si Steve. Siya na kung mga tali ko. Parang may dyan. Ano na, Bobby? Kaya na. Butang na yung mga yan yung Bobby. Masama na.